Today we're going to be looking at how to calculate a unit price, or how to calculate the cost of an individual item when purchasing multiples of the same item. We have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together here, so let's get started. As we can see for our first problem, we purchased 4 paint cans and it cost us $46.84. And we're being asked to figure out how much does each can of paint cost. So in order for us to solve this, as we can see up top here highlighted in yellow, we're going to divide the total cost by the total quantity. So in this case, we had a total cost of $46.84. So we're going to go ahead and just write that out. And then we had 4 cans of paint. So 4 is our quantity. So in order for us to calculate the cost of one individual paint can, we're going to divide our total cost by 4. So we're going to divide $46.84 by 4. Well, when we plug that into a calculator, we get the answer of $11.71. So each paint can cost us $11.71. Now moving on to our second problem here, we have 14 bananas that cost us $4.34. And we're being asked to figure out how much each banana cost. Well, just like the first problem here, the first thing we're going to do is figure out our total cost, which in this case is $4.34. And now this time we had a quantity of 14 because we had 14 bananas. So in order for us to figure out the cost of one individual banana, we're going to be dividing our $4.34 by 14. And when we divide $4.34 by 14 into a calculator, we get the answer of 31 cents. So each banana cost us 31 cents. So hopefully by now you understand how to calculate unit price, or how to calculate the cost of an individual item when purchasing multiples of the same item. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.